but that ain't getting us nowhere.
The snow is really piling up outside.
I wish you wouldn't make me leave here. Nah.
I poured it on and I poured it out.
I tried to show you just how much I cared.
I'm tired of words and I'm too hoarse to shout.
But you've been cold to me so
long, I'm crying icicles
instead of tears.
And all I can do is
keep on telling you.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here.
Over here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, sweetheart.
Hello, sweetheart.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Bushkote Jibik. Sage. Bushkote Jibik. And Dush. Nukwejigan. Nukwejigan, sweetie.
Yeah.
Bushkote Jibik. Sage. Bushkote Jibik. And sometimes people get these words mixed up.
Yeah,
They'll say, hey man, do you have any smudge? I'll be like, well, I got some sage. If you'd like to smudge, I will give you some sage, but you're going to need to set it on fire. Sweetie, will you set this on fire?
Sure.
Oh, what? And then nukwejigan. Smudge. When it's smoking like this, it's called smudge. Bushkote Jibik, sage, nukwejigan, smudge. And this has been the Ojibwe word of the day. Words of the day. You want to add anything, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. In that case, miigwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO.
I'm Natasha.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min.
Minowa.
Oh. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. but it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
All right. Sometimes, well, hey, everybody. BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO. Can you hear me better? What's going on, my Nijis, Dush, Nij, Ikwes? What's going on, my friends? BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Just hanging out here at the old Sweat Lodge place, straightening up. We might have to go in for a sweat later on. I got some, I gotta purify. This time I can go back in. Anyway, just wanted to stop in this morning. Mino Giga Shape. Wally Bear. What's going on, Niji? And Hoa. Jessica Waboos. I'm so happy to see you here. I've been missing you. I wondered where you were. And Jim Dunn. Yo, Jim. What's going on? And Shannon Hall, Mino Giga Shabe. Oh, new characters, Mike and Emily, says Wally Bear. That's right. Got two, well, Michael's always been here, but he's singing more. But Emily is a new character. She's a person from Michael's past, and she's really pretty. She kind of reminds me of you, Jessica Waboos. I tell you the truth. But, yeah. I guess I don't need a cowbell player. The new drummer has 3 on his drum set. He's very good. He said he likes my bass playing. Wally Bear's a bass player. Oh, nice. We need a keyboard player, says Jim Dunn. BOOZHOO, Jim. Well, before I go back to the house, I think I'm going to say a little prayer. Got a little pocket in my... Let's say my... Get Chimanadu. Ninya Natasha. Great Spirit. It's Natasha. I'm, Mikwech ka ishi kakina keku. Ka ishi chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Mikwechka ishi way back. Thank you for the weather. Mikwechka Bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Dash mikwech. Then I had a roll back. Mikwechka Kakina Gegu. Thank you for everything. Kitchimanadu. Takawi Tukawishin. Minaway, Ando Minaway, Noongum. Great Spirit, please help me to speak well today. Mitukawishin. Ando. Help me to be funny. Make people laugh. Help me to speak in a good way. Not to speak with a forked tongue. No. Don't you love like old Indian movies? That's how Indians talked in the movies. But please help me speak well and do a good show. Miigwech Bizandawi egg. Kichimanadu. Thank you for listening. Ando niwi anama e to my prayer. Apenge. Amen. Is that Cass Lake over there? I think it is. Gamisqua Wakogag. The place of the red cedars. Gamisqua Wakogag. Cass Lake. Cass Lake, for some people, is a place where you speed up and just fly right through the traffic lights because you don't want to slow down. Some people are afraid when they drive through Cass Lake. I had a friend who used to work at the Chiwi in Cass Lake, a little gas station there. And this girl from wherever, her car broke down. She came into the gas station to use the phone. Do they still have pay phones at Chiwi? But anyway, maybe this was a long time ago. This must have been before they had cell phones. But this lady comes in and she's on the phone, and my friend, Anishinaabe Kwe, an Indian woman, she overheard her saying, come on, you gotta get me. My car broke down. I'm in the middle of the reservation. Like, you know, she might as well have been in the middle of someplace really dangerous. You gotta come get me. She was scared. But that's the place of the red cedars for you. Some people are scared here. Gamisqua Wakogag. Cass Lake. And I've often wondered why they ever changed the name. You know, we're the Leech Lake, Ojibwe, so accommodating, so easily bullied, easily pushed around that they just roll over for Lewis Cass, the fat Freemason who came up here and cut down all their trees and said, hey, yo Indians, what do you call this place? Oh, this is our home. We call it the place of the red cedars. Yeah, well, my name is Lewis Cass, and from now on, let's call it Cass Lake. And the Leech Lakers like, okay, sure, why not? In fact, let's, as Leech Lake Ojibwe, totally forget what we really call this place and quit using Ojibwe altogether. Thank you, good night, Leech Lake. Way to preserve your language and culture. Bunch of salves. Nah. Just kidding. I better go back. Boop, boop, boop.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Well, hey there, Natasha. What are you doing?
I'm still out at the Sweat Lodge site.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I went to say a prayer before I came back.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, you want me to pick you up?
Yeah, would you mind?
No problem. Hang on, I'm going to scan for your coordinates first.
Okay.
All right. And that's 1 to teleport, right?
Yeah, don't teleport any mosquitoes.
Okay. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
Hey, there she is.
Well, hi.
How you doing, baby?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Oh, I'm not too bad.
we going to do a show today?
I think we already are.
Oh, that's right. I guess we are. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Kizzy Renee Davis is here.
Oh, is Kizzy here?
Yeah, she sure is.
Okay, me no giga jabe, Kizzy Renee.
Good morning, Kizzy Renee. And Heavy Flo is here from the 6 to Leech Lake. What from 6 Mile Lake? That's where Michael's family is. That's where your ancestors used to fish and hunt, huh?
Yep, I'm a Bina boy.
Bina. Oh, you better not slow down in Bina either. No. What's it gonna take? Wally Bear says Leech Lake is not an actual lake. It's a reservoir because of the dam at Federal Dam. Did you know that?
No, I never did.
But that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, it is. It does, doesn't it?
Oh, that's weird. Leech Lake isn't even a real lake. Well, I guess it's a lake, but it's a man-made lake. It's a reservoir. That's a huge reservoir. Or whatever. But yeah, Federal Dam. Federal Darn.
No.
So what's going on? Kizzy Renee missed us both. Well, we missed you too, Kizzy. We always kind of notice who doesn't show up.
Yeah.
Take for granted, Wally Bear's always here. Heavy Flo, I live in Toronto. And Heavy Flo's a Leech Lake band of Ojibwe. Cherokee people. Ojibwe tribe. How come there's not a Leech Lake song?
We wrote a Leech Lake song.
Oh, that's right. We did, didn't we? Should we play the Leech Lake song?
I could, or you could play you and Michael singing that song.
What do you think, Michael? Should we play the Snow on Skin song?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do Leech Lake later. Let's close with Leech Lake.
All right.
Here's a song that Michael and I recorded. And it's called Snow on Skin. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening.
And the road is closed. Still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be. A cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. And it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin. From what I've seen, nothing's meant to last, but I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past, but I've come so far, And I've run so fast. How long do I have, and how long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
Oh, indeed. What am I doing here? Yeah, whatever. Guess I'm here now. Hey, everybody! BOOZHOO! NANABOOZHOO NANDIJANAKAZ. NANABOOZHOO is my name. For anybody new to the show. But I think I know everybody here already, huh, sweetie? Yeah, you do. John Redcorn's back, sweetie. No way! Yeah, huh? Hi, John! BOOZHOO, John. I love how John spells cousins. Yeah, cousins. I don't remember. Nice job, Niji. Hey, thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. You want me to talk about one of your books? You don't have to. No, I don't mind. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to support the rockstar cartoonist, how come we don't got a cover of Rockstar Cartoonist? Because I don't want anyone to buy it. Why not? That's stupid. Okay. Should they buy a coloring book? Yeah, I think I'll buy a coloring book. If you'd like to buy a coloring book by Michael Lyons, click the link below to Amazon.com. And now we screwed up all the text. Where's the... here we go. Support us at PayPal, Patreon, GoFundMe. But you can order a book like this from Michael Lyons. It's an Ojibwe, English Ojibwe coloring book. Like it's all these cartoons teach an Ojibwe word. So there's English in it. It's not like BOOZHOO Ojibwe. And originally this was called Yay Gimme One. But I'm not sure how you just gotta look for the picture in Amazon. But it's a nice, big, thick coloring book that Michael Lyons drew. Or don't. Don't tell him that. I don't know. I don't want to tell people what to do, what to buy, what to think. You want to be like a sheep? Bah. Are you quoting Scarface? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, this is a coloring book by Michael Lyons. On sale now at Amazon.com. Anyway, what was I going to talk about, sweetie? You are going to talk about something really important. What did I want to say today? I think I was going to spend a little time talking about sage and smudge. Boshkode jibik, sage, nukwejigan smudge. And it's important to know in the Ojibwe language and cultural ways that we don't say smudge when we mean sage. I guess I already covered this. Yeah, we did that outside. All right, so we're going to cover that. And then, oh, you know what, sweetie? Today is Nijo Gija Good. It's the second day. Nijo Gija Good. Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, or what we call after prayer day.
Yep.
And today we call the second day, or Nijo Gijagut. But I think that what's really important to talk about today is Misquagami Wees Aga Iganing.
Red Lakers?
Yeah. The Misquagami Wees Aga Iganing Anishinabeg. Today I would like to talk about the Red Lake people. Hey, Red Lakers. You're not so tough.
Hey, don't say that.
What? Oh, look at us. We still own all our land. Yeah, good for you. What do you want from me? Nah, I'm just kidding. If you're not from northern Minnesota, you might not know that Misquagami Wees Aga Iganing isn't part of the Minnesota Chippewa tribe. If you're not from Minnesota, you might not know that Chippewa is another way of saying Anishinaabe or Ojibwe or something. It's what we used to call the Anishinaabe, the Ojibwe-speaking Anishinaabes. And I don't think we should stop using Chippewa.
Really? Why not?
Well, all the treaties and the territory, all the official government business,
Yeah.
that's done with the Minnesota Chippewas. If we no longer identify as Minnesota Chippewas,
Yeah.
then there goes your casinos.
Well, good.
You don't like the casinos?
I hate casinos.
What kind of Anishinaabe Kwe are you?
Do you think liking casinos makes you Indian?
Yeah, that's our culture. Throwing our money away at the casino.
That's not our culture.
Yeah, it is. I mean, sadly, it is now. But Misquagami Wees Aga Iganing, Red Lake, is north of here about, what is it, about 25-minute drive?
Yeah.
And unlike Leech Lake, who as soon as those Leech Lakers got a opportunity, they sold out their land. I guess only like 2% of Leech Lake's actually owned by Leech Lakers. The rest is owned by whoever. I mean, it's still Leech Lake territory, but during the whatever era, Dobbs, or I don't know, but there came a point in history where the reservations got an opportunity to, the individual members could sell their own allotments. Yeah, the Allotment Act or whatever they called it. But Red Lake was like, no, we're not. Nobody gets any allotments here, or they get allotments, but nobody gets to own their own land. That's not our way. Nobody owns Mother Earth. So it'll just, as a tribe, this is our land. So they're one of the only, I guess there's a res in Wisconsin or somewhere that is kind of like Red Lake, where they still own all their land. But Wally Bear says, hey, that's my job you're dissing. Quit dissing Wally Bear's job. Those casinos are his bread and butter.
Sorry, Wally Bear.
Yeah. Wally Bear, the way Wally Bear talks to him when he meets somebody, because he's a casino guy, he's like, hey lady, are you feeling lucky? Have a lucky night. That's what I like about casino security guards.
What's that?
Whenever you go to the casino, they're like, have a lucky night. Anyway, Misquagamiwi, Zagat Iganing, Red Lake. Got its name by the many, many Buan or Dakota people that the savage Red Lakers mercilessly murdered to make that lovely place their home.
Okay.
Oh, you don't believe me? Look it up.
I believe you.
Actually, you know what, sweetie? I don't really believe that story.
You don't believe the Red Lake story?
No. I don't know what is the true history of the Ojibwe people migrating here. I mean, I tell a story how the Indians migrated, but I refuse to believe that they would name a lake after a battle where they had to kill so many people and it ran red with blood. It just sounds like something. It just sounds like a movie. Yeah. You know, I'm sure the Ojibways taking over Dakota Territory in northern Minnesota was a much more gradual thing, or I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? I don't. Gimmick do you remember? And I don't think we have any more Ojibwe language to teach. So, what? You gonna talk about something? Oh, I was thinking about talking about Ojibwe language and culture. Or I could play the Leech Lake song. Why don't you play the Leech Lake song? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Leech Lake, here's a story of Zagaskwa Jamaicog, the place where there are many leeches. Lake. The plentiful Leech Lake. Whatever. Zagaskwa Jamaicog. That's what we call Leech Lake. And we wrote a song so people can remember how to say it. And if I can play it, I'd like to share it with you today. Here we go. Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Leech Lake. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening.
So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in Ojibwe. Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog. It's fun when you sing it. Now Natasha's gonna bring it. Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog. Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaica, Lindonjibwa, oh, wow. Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaicog, Zagaskwa Jamaica, Lindonjibwa, oh, Zagaskwa Jamaica, Zagaskwa Jamaica. think I teleported back into time. This is no good. Welcome back. Trying to get too fancy. Yeah. Hope I didn't destroy the illusion. But I know I did. Anyway. Yeah, Gazagaskwa, Jamaica, Leech Lake. Such a beautiful place. Such a beautiful place to live and grow. And to have a family. And to marry young. And to be fruitful and multiply. Huh, sweetie?
That's right. Somebody's got to make these kids have children.
Yeah. Excuse me, young ladies on the Leech Lake Reservation. Don't you think it's time you start having a baby? Oh, wait. I guess they all have babies immediately. As soon as it's physically possible. That's the one thing you can say about us.
What's that?
We're a fertile people. Ojibways took that biblical passage, be fruitful and multiply, pretty literally. They didn't say be fruity and kiss a guy. No, they said be fruitful and multiply. Nah. But hey, the Michael Lyons books are awesome. Hey, BOOZHOO, is sure realist.
Oh, is she realist here?
Yeah, she sure is.
Hey, is she realist?
She really says, the Michael Lyons books are awesome. And I like casinos too. Yeah. Wally Bear, they're a great place to noki or anoki work. Hey, she's slinging some Ojibwe.
Anoki to work.
Anoki. I have a wonderful brother who works at one. Yeah, I've had a number of family work at those casinos too. My cousin Oni was an accountant for many years. And, yeah, casinos. They actually gave a job to my old, it was actually Michael's old great uncle, Billy Boy Lyons.
Oh, yeah, you want to tell that story?
Yeah. Michael Lyons is a descendant, or not a descendant, but one of his ancestors. His grandpa's brother was kind of famous for being a safe cracker, a bank robber back in the days. His name was Billy Boy Lyons. And it was interesting because your grandpa and your one grandpa's brother, Aubrey and Ray, were both cops, right? Yep, they were reservation cops. Yeah, and then they had another brother who was a criminal. Yeah, but he was a half-brother. Still. So, Billy Boy Lyons, made a living breaking into banks. And eventually he got caught. And when news broke out, and this would be like in the 50s, I think. I was down in St. Paul or somewhere. But it was on the front page of the newspaper. Billy Boy Lyons arrested for safe cracking or whatever. And the day came when he had to be brought to Stillwater State Penitentiary. He had to go to the big house. They're going to lock him up for breaking into safes and banks. Apparently, my great uncle didn't know that was against, or Michael's great uncle didn't know that was against the law. But when they're going to take him to prison, Michael's grandpa Aubrey said, "You know what? Let me take him. I'll drive him to prison." And so he took him from, I guess it would be Cass Lake. He was in the local jail, and they transported him to, I'm not sure how that worked. But I remember at okay, this is getting awkward. But Billy Boy. Oh, so Michael, why don't you mention how last time you saw Billy Boy? Well, it was at my grandpa's funeral. Yeah. And I went up to Billy Boy and I was like, was that must have been hard for my grandpa when he had to drive you to prison, huh? Yeah. And then what did he say? And all Billy Boy said was, yeah, it was hard, but it was harder on me. Yeah, harder on me. Oh, but this is my point, the casinos. So, Billy Boy Lyons, convicted, ex-con for actual bank robbery. And the guy was a, thief. He retires and settles into a home up north, but then decides, you know what, I need to work. So what's he do? This ex-con master safecracker goes to the Northern Lights Casino and says, hey, I would like a job working security. And reservation was like, yeah, sure, we don't see a problem with that. Really? Yeah. They weren't concerned at all that, he might strike again. So, Leech Lake, Northern Lights is a place where you get second chances. They'll even hire ex-cons as security guards. Elders. That was the other thing. He was like way old by this time. Anyway. Billy Boy Lyons. Once I was a fool. Wally Bear says, I have my uncles to thank for that. Oh, Wally Bear knows Oni. Yeah, I miss her too. Oh, sweetie. Just got triggered. Stupid. I know it's stupid.
Do you want to go outside and pray on it?
Maybe I should.
Yeah, I think you should go outside. Want me to teleport you?
Oh, wait, but outside is a wintry mess.
No, I can teleport you to the Sweat Lodge place.
Oh, yeah, would you?
Yeah.
Okay.
When to teleport?
Make it so, number one. I'm going to go outside.
All right, hang on.
How did this microphone come with us?
Boop, boop, boop. Sweetie.
You teleported the microphone.
Oh, did I really?
Yeah.
Is it working?
I guess so.
Okay, well, call me when you want me to bring you home.
Okay. I just got triggered there with Wally Bear mentioning my cousin. I'll move that out of the way. I'm going to put a little tobacco. Sema. Get your money do. The guy we do coition. Great Spirit, please help me. We do coition. Ando. Kage. Help me to heal from my Gashkenda Moen. Help me to heal from my grief. What? The Beneshi, the birds. What do you want, birds? You never saw a grown man cry before? I still can't talk about it. Dapana niwi asema gichimanadu. Set my tobacco. Oni was my cousin who passed away. And, you know, I'm usually okay about it. I think I have low blood sugar this morning. I haven't eaten anything. But sometimes, and maybe I'm supposed to talk about it. Maybe that's why it happened. Sometimes something will trigger me. I shouldn't use that word, trigger me. That's such a stupid, woke, you know. Oh, I'm being triggered. You know, I'm in a safe space. You're not supposed to trigger me. You know. But I got triggered. I got, you know, jammed up at the mention of her name. And I know you guys probably have somebody like that too, huh? Somebody just mentions their name. But it's okay. Yeah. I can talk all day long about the grief I had losing my stupid cat. You know, I wrote songs and poems about little princess dying, and that's okay. I milk that for sympathy, but this one's different. Oni was something really special. Oh, she would have loved this show. I sure hope you can see this. I'm pretty sure that I'm pretty sure that she's got a cell phone in heaven. She's probably watching this on YouTube. I hope so. I miss you, Oni. Giza Gain. Giza Gain. I love you. Alright. I might as well go home. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. How you doing? Bad. You want to come home? Yeah. Alright. I'll just teleport you, okay? Yeah, okay. When to teleport? Make it so, number one. Hey, welcome back, crybaby. Don't make fun of me. What? I'm not a crybaby. No, you're my baby. You're Niwi Abinujians. You're my baby. Should we call it a show? Yeah, we might as well. All right. Hey, everyone. Michael, you want to add anything? Nope. I think we'll call it a show. Do I have another song I want to play for these nice people? I don't think we do. Oh, I know what we can play. You guys ever hear of a band called Pink Floyd? The Pink Floyds? Yeah. Here, hold on a second. When I was in high school, a buddy of mine, new kid, came to school and he kept a journal. And he came back and he goes, yeah, my grandma thinks you guys are on drugs. And I go, what? Why? He goes, well, she came into my room last night. She was like, Mike, Brent, your new friends here at this new school seem nice, but I'm afraid they might be on drugs. I heard a rumor that they were really into Pink Floyd. And he goes, Grandma, were you reading my journal? Really? Yeah. Apparently he wrote like, oh, I met these new guys. They're really cool. They're really into Pink Floyd. And his grandma thought Pink Floyd was a drug. Anyway, let's end the show with a little song by the Pink Floyd. This is a song. I hope it's here. And it's not. Doggone it. Okay, well. All right, instead of dedicating this song to Oni, let's dedicate a song to my grandparents, Aubrey and Leona. And miigwech bizendawiag. Thank you for listening. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. My brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said I'm going home.